Cami's word today. I'm Cameron Word. Today's word is leash. A leash is a strap or rope that you tie to a dog or other animal's neck. 개나 동물들 목에 채우는 줄이에요. This keeps the dog from running away. Many places have leash laws that require dogs to be tied up. But in wide open places, some owners let their beloved pets run free. For example, I put my dog on a leash every time we go for a walk. But he gets so excited and the leash slips from my hands. L로 시작합니다. 정확한 스펠링으로 보내주세요.